Hi, it's Craig from Yesway Communications again. Today we're going to, tip of the day, we can call it if you like, we're going to look at using a two-way radio, a handheld radio, sort of thing you might use for an, security, an event, that sort of stuff. Okay, not sure I can get this in the camera. That is the sort of thing I'm talking about. Okay, firstly, got an aerial on the top here. I think you all see that. Right, when communicating, it works better if you hold it upright. The reason being is because there's a thing called polarization. Aerials basically work better. They're designed to work when they're pointing upwards. So when you're talking, talk like this, not like this, not like the sort of thing they do with Dragon's Den with their mobile phones. That's okay. That's not okay. I don't know why I said that for. Okay, so when you're using them, like that, not like that. That's tip of the day. Thank you. Yesway Communications 01522 740 818. Almost give my home number out then by accident. Thank you. See you later.